Hello everyone, Chris here. Thank you again for tuning in to Midwest Coaster Fans, bringing you another Orion update. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button for future content that's going to drop down on this channel. Let's go ahead and give you an update. Today's September 27th, 2019. And what we're looking at here, so if you look at the bottom left, you can definitely see a lot of progress has been made. The actual first piece of the lift hill has been put up. Before we showed you the support piece was put up to start making the lift hill go vertical, and you definitely saw that on our last update that we provided on this channel. And you can also see that the last brake run is now done and almost done and complete as well. So they're definitely making a lot of progress. They're working right now on the station and transfer track area, so I imagine they're going to be putting more pieces of track in place on the lift hill and the final brake run. I believe they're almost complete on the brake run, but they definitely made a lot of progress since our last update, where we were just able to show you that the support piece was in place. So now, as you can see, the first piece of the lift hill has been put in place, and more pieces of the final brake run have been put in place. Like I said, they're making a lot of progress. So I imagine that Kings Island wants this probably complete before the final deep freeze, so I'm expecting a lot of the track work to be done probably at the end of December, especially the progress that they're making right now. And then obviously all the other elements like theming and things of that nature could be done as soon as it gets a little warmer out in the spring. They could definitely theme that area pretty fast. That shouldn't be the hard part. The station and all the work around there could be completed during the winter months. As long as they have heat in there, they're fine. But we do know that most of the work will probably be completed by the end of Winterfest. And obviously we're giving you updates. We're going to be out to Kings Island to provide a live update. We're going to head out there most likely next Saturday. We're going to go out there for a live update and to give you we're going to go through the haunted houses. But as for now, as you can see for this, like I said, there's a lot of progress being made, and so far we've been right on our predictions. We predicted that they would work on the lift hill and probably the brake run first, and then go and transition over to other areas of the ride. And we don't know the sequences because the engineering company that's doing this, they are the ones that plan this out and how the coaster is going to be pieced together. But like I said before, it's probably going to be that brake run, obviously, which was correct, and the lift hill, which is correct. And then I imagine they're going to work on like the last pieces of it further down where the coaster's at, and then everything's eventually going to piece together. So I bet you see more crews working all around after they get the initial lift hill done and the first drop done, and then they're going to move on to the other parts of the coaster that aren't as tall, and they could probably split the crew in half. But looking at this is definitely great news. And I do want to thank you again for tuning in to Midwest Coaster Fans. Look for our next update. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, this is Chris signing off for Midwest Coaster Fans.